Happy Wednesday, everyone. If you weren't with us earlier or need a refresher, here we are. So today we worked on our third and final paragraph for our Twisted Fairy Tale. You can find that guy right here, Twisted Fairy Tale, paragraph 3. So view assignment and instructions. So we're at the end. Today, these are our directions again in case you need it. So today we are writing our third paragraph. So our falling action, these are the two events that solve the problems from our rising action and our resolution, how the story ends. For my visual folks, if you are like me, here we go. So falling action, resolution. Remember, our theme is throughout. So again, we are writing on what happens to the evil stepsisters and stepmom from the story. So make sure you're not retelling me Cinderella. I know what happens in Cinderella. I need to know what happens to her step family afterwards. So we talked about when you do bad things come back at you, kind of like a theme. So that is sort of what we should see throughout here. So they were obviously unkind people to her through the original story. So now in the sequel, 2.0, Cinderella 2, Cinderella, where are they now? Like a reality show kind of thing. I need to know what has happened to these ladies. Odds are it's not going to be good. So you set me up here. You gave me the exposition, my characters, my setting, my conflict. We hit rising action in the climax in paragraph 2. And now today we're going to go down the roller coaster of our plot diagram. The falling action is going to solve these rising action problems, and the resolution is going to give us a nice solid end to our story. So remember to keep that in mind. That we're looking for the where are they now, tell all 2.0 kind of thing. If for some reason you have typed all 3 paragraphs into one document, that's okay. Just make sure that you have distinguished between them. So paragraph 1 and then type, and then write paragraph 2 and then type, just so that I know when I go into grade. So if they all happen to be in one place, that's cool. Just make sure you let me know. I'm not going to take off points for that, but I need to make sure you have 3 solid paragraphs for our story. I'm also going to go over quickly a remind of what we need to do. So don't forget that I have moved our reading log. Here's what it looks like again, in case you missed it in class. So 30 minutes a day for 5 days. I need your start and stop time, your page numbers, and a good 4 to 5 sentence summary. 7th grade sentence summaries, not just she went to the store. We're in 7th grade. Y'all can do better than that. So that's what I'm looking for there. I have also added in the slideshow with the PDF books to make it easily accessible. So we're sort of going to let this guy go by the wayside. We spent a lot of time on it, but it doesn't seem to be working for you. So I'm going to scrap it. If you have late work, though, that still needs to be done in there, make sure you do so. We have Membean. And remember, here are the directions if you need to make up any weeks to get points. This is what you need to do. The grading scale for Membean and your login page. And then don't forget, we have a quick 5-question Illuminate checkpoint again. We seem to be doing these probably about every week, but it's just for me to gauge where y'all are at so I can keep planning my lessons. So make sure you are turning those in for me. This one is going to be for a grade based upon correctness, not just doing it. So please try your best. And that is it. I'm going to put in the times like I always do for the office hours help times. If you have questions, comment, ask, follow up. If I don't answer you by the next day in class, call me out on it. Make sure that I saw it and I didn't accidentally skip over it. If I have, I'm sorry, I'm human, but I try to keep up, so let me know, and then I will see y'all tomorrow on our Pretend Friday. So have a good one, guys.